Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about my C++ project, and in this project what I have created, I will explain you all these things in detail. Now my project is all about Arduino, smart Arduino guide. For example, if a student in a class is struggling to be understanding about components and sensors and electronic components, it is really hard for them to understand all these things, like how digital pins are going to work in with Arduino Uno, and how we can understand in real life, and what are the codes of this one component. So I'll explain you all these things in my project, and actually my project is really helpful for those students that are really trying to understand and trying to use these kind of components, and they are really enjoying to be doing that kind of such a thing. That's why I have created that one project, to make all these things easier for them. Now first of all, we are going to moving forward. Like here we have included these three header files, like include iostream. Why we are just like using this one header file? Actually we are trying to see in something or see out in our code. And there is another one, a header file named as a string. Now why we have added this one, a string? Actually we have added this one header file string. I'll show you right here what was the purpose to be creating this one string file. A string file, for example, when we are going to be working on giving names or as components or electronic things, as we are going to giving these things as a name, then we have to use a string file. Then also we have used this one include limit header files. Now moving forward, what we have done right here, we have created these one functions. These are the functions actually. Now how they are working, I have created this one function void that is going to show a welcome message. Now first of all, as I created this one, it is going to show us as a welcome to my project. This is going to be working like that one. It is going to show the user. And actually we have uses this one void function, because this one function is not going to give any kind of return type. And furthermore, we have just like a menu. Then our project is going to show you the menu, that which component would you like to learn, like ultrasonic distance sensor, DHT11, or LDR servo motor. So which one you are trying to understand. So I have created these one functions, I have created right here, so that I can call them in my main function. And after moving forward, I have completed all these functions. Like here I have LDR and servo motor and relay motor, and these are the actually functions. I have created functions so that I can make it easy, and so that I can call these one functions in my main body. Then here I have created this one main function. This is my actually main function where I have to work. Now this is choices. Now if user after providing all these things, like servo motor or LDR or ultrasonic distance sensor, or we can also add a few things right here. I can also add right here like void, and I'm trying to be adding IR sensor, or maybe another one just like buzzer. So I have added this one buzzer. And how is this going to work? I will call this one buzzer right here, and I'll do something for this one buzzer. So actually how many just like I have added, there are a lot of, but it depends on a programmer that what kind of components he or she is going to add. Now here we have created just like choices. Choices means which one component or electronic thing you want to learn. That's why I have added this one. Then moving forward, there are two options, like keep running, that is going to be working on bool. If it is going to be keep running, then it is going to be true. If it is not going to be running, then it will be false. Then after that, I have created just like while. This is a condition. If keep running is going to work in, then if keep running is going to true, then it will show us a message like enter your message and enter your choices between 1 to 6. That is going to working like that. And now moving forward, we have like switches. Which one switch you are going to be like tabbing like that? I'm going to just like choose one case one, Then in case 1 it is going to show us explain DHT11. So actually I created choices for a person, for a user. If that user is going to use my project, in that case there are 6 to 7 choices that that user have to choose. In these choices I have given the components, electronic things. I have created this one for user so that user can understand that what kind of things I have to study right now. That's why I have created these are the choices and which, and to be selecting choices I have created this one switch. If case 1, if a user is going to enter case 1, then it will show us DHT11. Or maybe if a user is going to choose case 2, then it will show us another component. And this is all about these cases. Now moving forward, if there is not any kind of just like number, if the user has entered 7 case, then there isn't any kind of component, then it will show us that it is not working. It is by default. I would say it is default. Then here going forward, I'll show you right here. Now these are the functions. Actually I have created the function right here. These are the functions, and these kind of functions principles, these kind of functions working classes I have created at the end of all these things. This is the way that how it is going to work and how it is going to just like work in our code. This is show main menu, and after that we have clear and input buffer and wait for user. This is all about actually functions that I have created at the end of all these things. And that's it. I would say that is my project, and I'll show you that how it is going to working. This is all about just like functions and servo motor I have added right here, and I can add right here as a buzzer or like that. And that's it about my project, and I'll show you that how it is going to work. My project will be about 250 plus lines. 250 lines I have like created this one code, and I'll show you that guys how it is going to work. Now here this is the main menu that I have created. It is going to work like welcome. It is going to show us that welcome, this system will help you understand IoT components as I told you, and how they work and what smart projects you can build with them. Then there's a main menu, and main menu what my project will show you, just like DHT11 ultrasonic distance sensor and LDR servo relay. So these are the choices, which one choice you want to choose. Like I'm going to choose 2, then I'm going to enter, and I have also just like told the person that you have to choose between 1 to 6, then I'm going to enter. Then it will show us that what is actually about ultrasonic distance sensor. Now here it is a question is like what is it? A sensor that measure distance by using sound waves. That is just like ultrasonic distance sensor. Then after that it is going to show us just like code, a simple code of that one, that what kind of project we can create with ultrasonic distance sensor, and how program is going to work in, and what kind of digital pins we have to add with some ultrasonic distance sensor and with Arduino Uno. So that's it all about my project. Hope so you understand guys. Thanks a lot.